Good morning, children. I hope y'all are safe at home. We were doing chapter 5 sense organs, by which we came to know that we have 5 special sense organs, that is, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. In our last class, we have studied about our eyes, how it helps us, and also how to take care of our eyes. Today, we will study about sense of hearing, that is our ears. Our ears help us to hear the sound. We can hear both loud and soft sound with the help of our ears. Loud sound can harm our ear. So here in the picture, Avi loves to hear stories from his grandmother. Here you can see a boy lying on the bed. He is Abhi and he is listening stories. From where he is listening stories? Yes, his grandmother is telling. And which part is he using? He is using his ears to hear the story. And in the next picture, you can see Palak stepped aside on hearing the bus horn. Here you can see a girl, Palak is there, who is walking on the road, and as she heard the horn of the bus, she moved towards the side of the road. So she has done this to save her from the accident. Vishal likes to hear music. Here in the picture, you can see Vishal is fond of music. Children, you are also using your ears at present. How? You are hearing what I am saying with the help of your ears, and you are also using one more sense organ. Which one? Yes, your eyes. You are using your eyes to see, and you are also using your ears to hear what I am saying. Children, do you know our ears work all the time, even when we are sleeping? So, when you are sleeping and your mother calls you out, wake up. So, that time you are hearing your mother's call. So, our ears also work when we are sleeping. Now, let's move to some tips how can we take care of our ears. Number 1, always keep your ears clean. So, when you go to take a bath, children, wipe out your ears with your wet towel properly to keep it clean. Second one, avoid listening to music at high volume. I know all of you like to hear music, but don't hear all the time at very high volume because it may harm your ears. Number 3, never put any sharp object inside your ears. So, if it is itching, don't put pencil or any pointed item in your ears. It may hurt your ears and you'll have to run to the doctor. So, be careful. Now, let's move to our third sense organ, that is sense of smelling. Which part we use to smell things? Yes, we use our nose. We smell with our nose. We also breathe through our nose. So, we smell different type of things with the help of our nose. Here you can see a girl, Subha. Subha likes the smell of roses. So Subha is a girl who can smell the rose. You know, children, different flowers have different smell. You go to your garden and try to find out different smell of different flowers. In the second picture, you can see Kunal loves the smell of Malai Paneer. So, your mouth is watering? Yes, even mine one. So now, Kunal, he loves the smell of Malai Paneer. Which is your favorite food? What is the smell of that food? Do you like that smell? You can know what your mama is cooking with the help of the smell. Yes, when the food is being cooked, you can smell the things. Now, children, in the third picture, Ritu detects a foul smell from this food item. The food may be rotten and not fit for eating. Why? Because Ritu detects a foul smell. What is foul smell? Bad smell. When you go near the garbage, what smell you can smell over there? Yes, a very bad smell which you don't like at all. So, when the food is not fresh, it smells bad. And children, we can smell both good and bad smell. And we will study about how to take care of your nose. Number 1, always keep it clean. You should keep your nose clean. Never put any object inside it. Object means anything. So, don't put anything inside your nose. And number 3, avoid direct injury to it. It means when you are playing, take proper care of your nose. So, children, this much for today. We will continue next part in our next class. Thank you.